we all love Bathurst. We would love to be able to bring Mount Panorama to Ford Performance Racing. Can't really do that, but I do have the next best thing, because over here is Mount Ford Performance Racing. It's a little different to Mount Panorama, but what I'm going to do is have you three monkeys climb the mountain, which is all part of the FPR challenge. You up for it?
Yeah.
All right. Time now to conquer the mountains. Scafey, all yours.
Crompo, this is on for young and old boys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Look at this, this is on. Oh! Frosty, I thought Frosty was down. Doesn't look too comfortable around the old family jewels there. It's another 20 for Stevie. Hey! Bathurst is soon, you maniacs. Stevie, press that button. And another 20 for Stevie Richards. Well done, buddy. Yeah, good job. Hey! You maniacs. There's another 20 pounds. Good job. Well done. Yeah, big night for Stevie. Well done, boys. No. Yeah. Good job. Well done.
Oh, no. Tim Edwards, you've got a massive problem if these blokes behave like that on the real mountain in October.